Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to create a user account in Windows. But before we start, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified of our future videos. Also, like and share this video. Thank you. Let's begin. First, click on Start menu and click on Settings. Click on Accounts. Click on Family and Other Users. Click on Add someone else to this PC. To create a local account, click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter the username for the account. Now, type a password for the account. Confirm the password. Select 3 security questions and type the answers. After selecting and answering the security questions, click on Next. As you can see, the new user account has been created. Restart your computer. So, that is how you create a user account in Windows. Thanks for watching. Please, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified of our future videos. Also, like and share this video. Thank you.